Dr. Adarsh, say hi.
Hello guys.
So for all the people who just joined in, let me very quickly tell you, we are doing a case of chin implant and we were live a few minutes back as well. And right now the case is fully complete. We finished the case in about an hour or so. And right now we are doing suturing. So the whole procedure is done under local anesthesia and it is a very comfortable procedure. It's about an hour's procedure, and but you know, you need to do the booking beforehand. So we've placed a silicone implant for all the people who are looking for a chin enhancement, or you know, who have a retrographic chin, or just want some enhancement in the features, but you know, they feel that fillers are something which is too expensive and they last for a lesser amount of time. So chin implant is something which could be great for you, as it is something which is permanent.
So here we have placed the implant. Here you can see the midline is exact into the marked midline. So here is the blue point of the midline, which lies in the midline which we have created. So this is the proper projection. Implant has been stabilized and refixed with the help of sutures. Now I'm doing a closer
So guys, as you can see, although the implant looks really big in size, when we showed you when we went live about 20 minutes back, but the incision that we give is not that big. जितना बड़ा implant है उतनी बड़ी incision नहीं दी जाती. एक छोटा सा ही hole दिया जाता है chin के नीचे, जिसके through हम implant की placement करते हैं. And before finalizing the implant, a day before we decide the patient expectations. Also during the surgery we place various sizes. For example, we've shortlisted a medium and a large size implant for this patient. So we place the sizer after giving the incision and we show it to the patient. We make them sit, we show it to them, and the final call is theirs about which implant they want to go for. So right now we are doing final closure. बहुत ज़्यादा कोई post op instructions नहीं होती, कुछ बहुत ही basic instructions होती हैं जो कि हमारी basic surgeries के बाद instructions होती हैं. बहुत ही highly comfortable procedure है. मैम आपको pain हो रही है? I think she's sleeping now. So but ये local anesthesia में हो रहा है procedure, and now we are done with the closure. Dr. Adarsh, आप कुछ बताना चाहते हैं, और have I covered almost everything now?
Almost you have covered everything.
Okay, so if any of you have any queries regarding any procedures or chin implant, you can DM us. And yes, I have my team here today shooting. As you all know, Dr. Adarsh has his YouTube channel by the name of Dr. Adarsh Tripathi. So don't forget to subscribe to his channel and like his videos. And we will be posting all of this content on YouTube, unfiltered for you guys, and hope you like what all we are posting. And as you know, most of you know that for your queries we provide you free teleconsultation, so don't forget to drop in your number. So that's all for now guys. Bye bye. Dr. Adarsh, say bye.
Bye guys.
Bye guys, see you.